Napoleon Cineview electric insert fireplaces are also available in mantle packages. The Cineview 26 comes in the Bella as a modern, smaller footprint mantle, and the Cineview 30 comes available in the Hayworth, Charlotte, and Franklin. The Bella is a modern mantle which comes in a burnished walnut finish and angled paneled doors for added charm. The Hayworth is finished in a weathered walnut and features a shelf above the fireplace, which includes a wire management system perfect to hold your gaming systems and other electronics. The Charlotte comes in a rustic whitewash with a burnished walnut top and diamond inlay. The modern rustic design, accompanied with glass paneling and black wrought iron handles on the doors, fits seamlessly into any decor. The Franklin model is a gray wash finish with a deep wood grain that will blend perfectly in your home. This mantle features metal framed out legs and a bottom drawer so you can easily store your remotes or other electronics. All Cineview mantle packages host decorative metal hardware and wire management systems where applicable. Napoleon has designed these mantle packages with different style and sized homes in mind. Find the right one to suit your space by visiting Napoleon.com.